Hello everyone. Today we are making a classic Indian dessert that's creamy, rich and absolutely delicious. Mawa Malai ice cream or Kulfi. First take a pan, add a tablespoon of water to the pan. This will help prevent the milk from sticking to the base. Once the water is in, we'll pour in our milk. Turn the heat to a medium and let it warm gradually. Now let's add saffron. You can soak it in warm milk for 10 minutes beforehand, but today I have added directly to the pot. It works beautifully either way. Always use a thick, heavy bottomed pan for boiling the milk. This will help it cook evenly without burning and make sure it's large. Milk tends to rise as it heats and we don't want any spills. For a richer, thick milk base, we are adding a milk powder. Take a few tablespoons of the hot milk from the pan, mix it with about 3 tablespoons of milk powder in a separate bowl and then add this smooth paste back into the pan. Alternatively, you can add the milk powder directly to the hot milk. Just remember to stir continuously to keep it lumps free. Gently mix it in and you will see the milks thicken up even more. This milk powder gives the ice cream that traditional Malai flavor without needing hours of boiling. Every time you stir, scrap the sides to keep the Malai in the mix. This adds a luxurious texture to our ice cream. Once the milk has thickened to your liking, add about 1/3 cup of sugar. Feel free to adjust to your taste, though this amount usually provides just the right sweetness. Next, let's add the dry fruit paste. Create a paste by blending cashew, almonds and pistachio with a little milk, giving the ice cream a creamier texture. Alternatively, you can also add finely chopped pieces of dry fruit for a delightful crunch. And the another option is to blend the dry fruit into a fine powder without milk and mix it directly for an extra smooth, rich texture. Choose what suits your taste best. Alright, now let it thicken. Stir it often. This helps prevent it from sticking. We want it to reduce to about 1/3 of its original volume, and as it thickens, you will start to see a rich layer of Malai form on top. And don't skip the final step of stirring and scraping. Here you can see the mixture have reduced to about 1/3 of its original consistency with a beautiful golden and a rich creamy texture. Once it's nice and thick, take the pan off the heat and let it cool down. We will blend it briefly to get that extra smooth creamy consistency. Blending is not strictly necessary. Now pour your ice cream mixture into molds or any airtight container you have. Cover them well and freeze for at least 6 hours or even better overnight until completely set. After a few hours, our ice cream is beautifully set and ready to serve. For a lovely presentation, you can even serve Kulfi or place them in a serving bowl. Top it off with chopped pistachio and can also sprinkle some saffron. Each spoonful will be rich, creamy and bursting with flavor, perfect for a delightful treat. Enjoy and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really motivates me to keep bringing you more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.